bikes for sale. That's a good place to put it too. Alright, so to me the 33 sort of just starts from this stop sign. There's a lot of cool places to camp, places to hike along this road. I've been coming here for years. There's a place called Wheeler Gorge that's a really awesome place to camp, and it's got a creek bed that runs through some of the campsites. I'll put the address right here. If you want to hike, there's also a information lodge that's right across the way from Wheeler Gorge, and you can buy an adventure pass for $5, or because of the Thomas fires that went through here, one of the largest fires in the country, the Thomas fire over here in Ventura County, it burned a lot of acres, thousands and thousands of acres, and so the last time that I went to get an adventure pass, I had to buy it for a whole year, and a year pass was only $35. I skydived with my mom, and we were like, who's gonna jump first? And I was like, I'm gonna jump first because I want my mom to watch her baby jump out of a perfectly good airplane. I got Chewy with me today. He's my backpack. Chewy, are you doing okay back there? Okay. The snake has these short, gotta go this way, gotta go that way, gotta go this way, gotta go that way, shift, 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 downshift, downshift. Like, unless you have 1,000, then you don't need to be shifting all that much, but 600s are a different story. But this highway, you could spend a good couple seconds in a turn because it's so long, and it just feels right. Probably looked a lot scarier on the GoPro. Los Padres National Forest, right here by these two tunnels. If you park right back there, you can hike down inside of there, and there's like pockets of water that pull up, and you can actually hike down underneath this bridge, go that way. Oh, I saw people. And then come up right here and rock climb. And there's like a little waterfall right here. Oh my gosh, this freaking dirty ass road. I'm gonna go slow. Bye.